See, if I saw him do this, I'd be like, oh, we could do that. Oh, me too. I watched a lot of them. You're doing great, sweetheart. You're almost done. It's okay, honey. She doesn't like that. Oh, yeah. That wasn't all wool. Any of you taking the over-under on her weight, a lot of it is her stomach. When we let her out, we got to feed her right away. It's okay, sweetie. You'll have to send a picture to the person we got her from. It's okay, honey. I know. I hope I still think she's cute. Oops, sorry people, I'm not aiming well. Oh my gosh, it is so funny. Oh my gosh, she kind of looks ugly. It's okay, honey. You guys, check this out. He just goes through and shears her. It's all one big piece of wool. Unbelievable. Oh, geez. I don't think she likes that. See, I couldn't do that. I'd be like, oh, is it hurting her? You're almost done, sweetie. Yeah. It's all right, babe. You're almost done. I wonder if she'll be relieved. He was saying they're kind of indifferent, like they don't really care, and that the wool